Hey there, welcome back. Let's start with our coding part. So, in today's lecture, I will tell you which file we need and which file we do not need to run our project. So, we do not need logo.svg for now. We do not need report webvitals.js. We do not need setuptest.js and apptest.js. So these are the by default files. We work with the other files and play around these files and play around the index.js file mainly. So I am going to delete the whole src folder. Here you can see error is display on the terminal side, failed to compile, module not found. As you can see, React is a by default search for index.js file within the source folder, and that's why he's showing the error in which index.js file is not found at the terminal side. So now I am going to create a new folder with the name of src, where other folders are located like public and node modules, etc. So then in source folder I create file index.js. Now I work main in the index.js file. We play around the index.js file and it's our main file in which we work. All of our stuff is located in index.js. So then firstly we write import react from react. We only need this import for now, but in the latest react version we do not require this import. And another import is import react dom from react dom slash client. So here we are creating our virtual DOM, due to which we access the function around the files. So with the help of React DOM, we get access with the id root. So root can be accessed with the help of virtual DOM. Then I write constant root equals to react dom dot create root and then in the function bracket we use document dot get element by id, because id is root. In the index.html file the id name is root. Now I am writing comments for you for your better understanding. Here I create a virtual DOM which id is written in index.js index.html file, which id is written on index.html file. So write root dot render Here I am creating the function. Now what is react.strict_mod? It's a second check or additional check, we can say. So we run our project. Sorry for the wrong spelling. The spelling of a React DOM. All the letters are capital. Run our project again with the help of npm start, and as you can see, our project is compiled successfully. Then in the index.js, now we write another word like subtag within the tag p. Then we create a new file within the src folder app.js. In app.js, we write our new code in app.js and use the app.js code in index.js file. Here I can show you about the components we used in app.js. Here I create a react arrow function. RAFC is a react arrow function. So it's export constant app. It's a function which we can use to return any value or print statement. But here we create manual function for now. Use constant app equals to bracket equals to greater than curly braces return. In return statement, we write h1 tag hello. In index.js file, we import our app.js, import app from ./app. So end with the app tag. The main thing I will tell you is the name of a function app must be same with the name of the file which we create app.js file. So at the end we write export default app and remove export from constant app side, and then we remove braces from the app, and then you can see our program will run fine. And that's all. Now we are going to create our index.css file. In index.css, I am going to perform styling on h1 tag. I just make the size of a h1 tag bigger. Font size of h1 tag is 50px. Then you can see the name of a app.js or the text of app.js is displayed within the index.js file. That's how React works within the modules or within the components. So that's all. Let's see you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.